Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's the USDA crop report, and USDA is not expected to make a lot of changes in these numbers, but 11 o'clock we'll come out with a video and just kind of let you know, number one, what they say, and number two, the market reaction. January 12th is a much bigger report when the USDA comes out with the final crop productions for U.S. for 2015. They come out with new S&Ds. They come out with grain stocks as of December 1, and they come out with the first estimate for 2016 U.S. winter wheat acres. So that'd be a much bigger day to circle on your calendar. As far as the overnight trade, we're up a little bit. Beans up 4 cents, corn up a couple, and wheat up 4 cents. A little bit of short covering in front of the USDA report. As far as news that's out overnight, number one, the Chinese CPI was up, but PPI was down for the 45th month in a row. Chinese grain futures are all a little bit lower. We've seen a report out that this monster El Nino could usher in a decade of stronger weather events. And again, when we talk about global warming, El Nino, La Nina, a lot of that has to do with extreme weather, where some parts of the world have extremely good weather, other parts of the world have extremely bad weather. Down in South America, weather looks mostly good over the next 2 weeks in Argentina and Brazil. The big thing in Argentina is Thursday the new president takes office. There's conflicting reports on whether he's going to float the currency or not. Some people say he'll do it December 14th. Other people said he has to wait until 2016 because he doesn't have the U.S. dollars to actually allow the currency to float. Ukraine raised their estimate of the 2016 grain harvest to 61 million tons. The crop is now rated 17% poor versus 30% previous. U.S. is mostly clear. We've got some rains moving across the Midwest the next couple days. The 2-week forecast calls for normal to above temps and normal rainfall. Yesterday the fund sold 6,000 beans, 3,000 meal, and bought 4,000 oil. They continue to be short about 50,000 beans, 80,000 corn, and almost a record 77,000 tons of wheat. So we'll see what the USDA has to say. We'll come out 11 o'clock with the market reaction, and then we'll kind of follow the outside markets. Today you've got the dollar a little bit lower. Crude and most commodities are trying to be a little bit higher today, but the Bloomberg Commodity Index is at a 16-year low. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.